This video is for step 2 of the fall leaf oil pastel drawing, and in this step we're going to practice oil pastel blending and color mixing. So we have a few techniques we're going to try. You should have 3 oil pastels in the primary colors, so yellow, blue, red, and a white. And we're going to use them today to practice mixing and layering. So the first thing I'd like you to do is layer 2 colors. You can pick the same as me or different ones. So I'm going to try red and yellow. So I'm going to make a yellow box. And then I'll put the red on top. See what happens. Kind of makes it turn orange. So we should know red and yellow make orange. The next thing I'd like you to do is scratch away the top color. So now I want you to mix 2 colors. So maybe I'll try red. And then blue. And now you can take a pencil or a scissor or anything with a sharp point and see what happens when you scratch some lines into it. So if you were drawing a leaf, this would be really great to scratch the veins into the leaf. And then we're going to do a smudge technique. So take 2 colors again, draw one next to the other one, or side by side. So draw 2 colors side by side. And now smudge them. See what happens when you smudge them. It's kind of like a fade effect. I have a paper towel here too, so if you've got some colors on your fingers, you can wipe your fingers off. And then the next set of techniques are mixing the primary colors to get secondary colors. So the first one I'd like you to do is red and yellow. So we kind of did it here, but I want you to blend them so where you get orange in the center. So I'm going to do red, yellow, oh, looks like my yellow has some red on it. So have a paper towel next to you so you can wipe your oil pastel clean. Then use your finger to get that orange color. And I'd like you to label it so you remember what you use to mix that color. So red plus yellow equals orange, which is a secondary color. The next one we're going to try is blue and yellow. So put your blue on top. Yellow. So yes, we kind of did this with the blending techniques, but I want to have you do this to focus on the color mixing. So my yellow had a lot of blue on there. I should have cleaned it a little better. I'm going to use my finger to blend the blue and the yellow and label it blue primary color plus yellow primary color equals green. And last one, red and blue. So I'll put the blue side by side with the red. And use my finger to blend them down. Purple is a pretty dark color, so it's not going to show up as much like this, but if you add white, it will. So blue plus red equals purple. Now that you've mixed your colors, you can use them to create colorful fall leaves.